Today we are going to show you the best air fryers you can buy right now. We have analyzed the market and listed these 5 best air fryers for you. For more amazing tech product reviews and suggestions, please subscribe to our channel. We will try our best to present you with the best tech products that you can buy now. Products links in the description box. In this video, we'll be covering air fryers, including what they are, why you may want to choose them, and some of the best options out there. Number 5. The Ninja Foodi DZ4016 in 1XL 2-basket air fryer has 6 cooking modes: max crisp, air fry, roast, reheat, dehydrate, and bake. It also has an extensive temperature range of 105 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and 2 modes that can sync your cooking modes or your cooking time for smart finishes when making complete meals. The air fryer arrived in a big box that was mostly made of recyclable materials, except for a plastic cover that coated the inserts, the air fryer itself, and the instruction manual. The primary difference between this model and others is the control panel. The max crisp setting is the only difference, and it is essentially the air frying setting at a higher temperature to create added color and crispiness. To make homemade fries, set the air fryer to cook at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 minutes. This fits well into one cooking basket. However, the air fryer does not preheat like some others, and it can be quite noisy at over 80 dB. It may take less time at closer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After 25 minutes, the fries were well browned and even. The drawers were very smooth to insert and take out of the air fryer, making the machine feel very high quality to use. The baskets clicked right into place with no trouble or extra pressure needed. Cleaning this air fryer is a dream. Just remove the inserts and the trays and put them through the dishwasher. However, the basket of this Ninja model with fries and bacon cannot go through the dishwasher, which is a big setback. It also marks easily, but the Ninja Foodi did not have this problem thanks to the dial and physical buttons, as opposed to the instant air fryer's touchscreen. Number 4. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer has a sleek stainless steel body with an LCD screen displaying the 10 cooking modes in temperature and cooking time options. The oven window is ideal for checking on the food while it cooks. The appliance needs to be on a stable surface, leaving a minimum distance of 10 centimeters on both sides and 15 centimeters above. The oven is easy to use with just a function dial and a start button. The oven comes with various accessories including a crumb tray, wire racks, grilling rack, roasting pan, air frying basket, and pizza pan. The manual has all the controls and instructions, but there are recipe cards included in the box and online. The oven can be used for various types of cooking, such as grilling, toasting, crumpet, baking, roasting, pizza, reheating, warming, air frying, and slow cooking. We tested the air frying function using the appliance to air fry chicken wings and make chips. Before the first use, it is recommended to run the oven empty for 20 minutes. Cooking times and temperatures can be adjusted as per requirement, both before and during the cooking cycle. The oven takes about 5 minutes to preheat before starting the cooking process. For cooking fatty food such as chicken wings, the grilling rack is recommended along with the roasting pan beneath to catch any oil that drips through the cooking process. We cooked 5 chicken wings in our test without using any oil. We cooked them for 30 minutes at 230 degrees Celsius, as suggested by one of the recipe cards included in the box. However, after 25 minutes, we found the chicken wings were golden and crispy, but dry. Reducing the cooking time by 5 minutes produced far tastier, succulent, and crispy chicken wings. Cleaning the oven can be tricky as the heating elements and various nooks and crannies require thorough cleaning. It is advisable to clean up any oil splashes before they build up. Number 3. The Instant Vortex Plus 6 is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance that can help you cook delicious meals quickly and with minimal oil. Equipped with a clear cook window and an internal light, this air fryer allows you to keep a close eye on your food without the need to open the basket and risk losing heat or flavor. The even crisp airflow technology ensures that your meals come out crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, with up to 95% less oil than traditional frying methods. This air fryer comes with 6 customizable cooking programs, so you can easily prepare a variety of dishes with just the touch of a button. The adjustable cooking temperature ranges from 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 to 205 degrees Celsius, giving you plenty of flexibility to cook any recipe to perfection. Plus, it heats up quickly, so you can go from frozen to golden in just a matter of minutes. The easy-to-use touchscreen provides step-by-step instructions, helping you cook your meals with ease and confidence. The Instant Vortex Plus 6 is perfect for growing families and meal prep, as it can cook up to 6 portions at once. Its non-stick cooking trays are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The appliance is designed to fit in any size kitchen and comes with built-in safety features like overheat protection and auto-off, ensuring that you can use it with peace of mind. With a power rating of 1,700 watts, 120 V 60 Hz, and ETL certification, you can trust that this air fryer is both powerful and safe to use. Number 2, Kasori Pro LE 5-quart Air Fryer. Kasori is a brand that offers a wide range of kitchen appliances, including air fryers, despite not being as well known as the major players like Instant, Ninja, and Philips. The Kasori Pro LE Air Fryer L501 is an excellent example of their quality offerings. It boasts a basket-style design with ample space, featuring a 5-quart/4.7-liter capacity, enough to cater to 4 people. The air fryer utilizes hot air to cook food placed in the frying basket, which means you can enjoy your favorite foods with 85% less oil than deep frying. It has 7 presets, each with predefined temperature and cooking durations for different foods. These presets can be activated by pressing the touch controls on the top of the air fryer. Additionally, you can adjust the temperature and cooking time to your preferences, ensuring that your food is cooked exactly how you like it. The Kasori Pro LE Air Fryer L501 also includes a preheat function and a keep warm feature that maintains the temperature of your dishes for up to 30 minutes. This feature ensures that your food stays hot and ready to eat even if you're not quite ready to serve yet. Cleaning the air fryer is a breeze since both the basket and the crisper plate are dishwasher safe. If you're looking for a healthier way to cook your indulgent favorites like fries and chicken wings and want a device that is both compact and streamlined, then the Kasori Pro LE Air Fryer L501 is undoubtedly worth considering. Number 1, Ninja Air Fryer Max XL. The Ninja Air Fryer Max XL is a mid-size air fryer with a slimmer footprint. Its basket is easy to pull out and is deep, with a diameter of approximately 9 inches, which can hold about 10 chicken wings in a single layer. The tray is removable, making it easier to clean than removable air fryer baskets that sit inside a drawer. Also, the tray did not fall out of the basket when we turned it upside down, which helps in the cooking and serving process. The control panel is easy to read and operate, with several built-in settings such as max crisp, air fry, air roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Each setting has different minimum and maximum temperature and time ranges. For instance, max crisp is set to 450 F and ranges from 1 minute to 10 minutes, bake can be set between 250 F to 400 F and ranges from 1 minute to 4 hours, and dehydrate can be set from 105 F to 195 F and ranges from 1 hour to 12 hours. When evaluating air fryers in our lab, we test chicken wings, frozen French fries, and homemade French fries. We assess cooking time, how evenly foods are cooked, and whether they're crispy and juicy. The Ninja Air Fryer Max XL cooks both wings and fries quickly and evenly without drying them out. Plain chicken wings got crispy and bubbly in 20 minutes and turned golden brown. We also air-fried fresh, hand-cut French fries that were tossed with olive oil and kosher salt and cooked at 350 F for 20 minutes. They turned out mostly even and crispy on the outside but still soft and moist inside. We noted that we probably should have shaken these fries during cooking since the oil caused them to stick and not fully brown. Over the years, we've used the Ninja Air Fryer Max XL to cook all types of veggies as well as proteins from salmon to pork chops to meatballs. 1-inch wide salmon fillets cooked to tender and juicy medium well with crispy skin in about 7 minutes at 400 F, while a bone-in pork chop takes about 10 minutes to be fully opaque and golden on both sides. All of the best air fryers are on our list. Please click the thumbs up icon if you found this video to be helpful. Which air fryers would you choose? Let us know what you think by leaving a remark below. Thank you for your time. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you found this video to be useful in any way so you won't miss any upcoming updates. All of you who viewed before that, I hope to see you in the upcoming video.